Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nita here from Next with Nita, and today you are in our kitchen. We're doing a little cooking with the man session. This is actually a first for our channel.
Yes.
Today we're gonna show you how we make our cauliflower gnocchi recipe. You guys always ask about it when I post it. It's healthy, it's easy, and it tastes really good. Ajit's actually the chef around here.
Yes, now let me turn my cooking mode on.
But yeah, so he's gonna kind of show you the steps. And yeah, you ready? Okay, for ingredients, you gotta go to Trader Joe's. They have the best cauliflower gnocchi. This is what the packet looks like. If you like it, next time you go, grab like 5. And then we always get this kale. What is it? It's vegan. We always get this kale.
It's right on the label, babe.
Vegan kale, cashew and basil pesto. It is so healthy and so good. Like once you go kale pesto, you'll never go back. Then we get Parmesan to drizzle on top of the pasta. This is vegan. We always put ground turkey in it for the meat. Ajit, what kind of spices do you use for this?
So I pretty much just pick on the fly. I felt like doing a little spicy Indian mix. So I'm using, this is called garam masala, and then some chili lime. I'm picking some onion salt because I really like the kick that comes with it. And then, of course, every form of red pepper that we have. Let's go ahead and get to it. Thank you guys for watching.
Oh, it's hot. Hot. Oh, this is really good. This is so good, you guys. You have to try it. You don't even feel guilty eating this because cauliflower gnocchi, vegan cheese, kale pesto. Literally, like, eat a ton. Eat the whole thing. Eat 5 bags. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of cooking.
Let us know in the comments below if you prefer our videos versus our blog posts.
Yeah, we were kind of on the fence. We weren't sure if we should do a blog post or a YouTube video, but let us know if you like the video action a little better. We prefer it because it just kind of shows, you know, like the process like a lot easier, especially when it comes to cooking. Sometimes it's annoying to read a recipe and just to quickly watch how things are done. It's a lot easier. Plus we get to show our personality. We get to connect with you guys more. Yeah, that's it.
Yep,
so we're gonna go watch Mad Men because it's so good. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we will chat soon. Bye.
Bye.